Hi, welcome to Goldilocks Academy. My name is Clementine, and in this video today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the part on one of your Goldilocks human hair wigs or human hair toppers. So I have one of our Goldilocks human hair wigs here. This is beautiful Lulu, and this one has been styled with the middle part. I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the part on this wig. So all of your wigs and toppers of Goldilocks can be parted anywhere on the top. So this area is all hand-tied, either a hand-tied lace or a hand-tied silk. This one is one of our lace top wigs, so this area is a hand-tied lace. So first we're going to get a brush and some water. This is all you need to change the part. You can do this. This is a cork head, which I'll place this wig on. If you don't have one of these, you can just as easily do it on your head, so you can choose where you'd like the part to sit. I've parted my wig with the left hand. You're going to take your water bottle and you're just going to wet the area that you want to change the part on. Because the hair has air dried hair, it's going to want to stay there. So if you want to part the hair to the left, it's going to want to flip back to wherever it's air dried or wherever you've blow dried it. Just like the hair on your head would as well, wherever it's been styled, it's going to want to stay there. So we're going to wet that here and then we're just going to change the part over and let it dry in its new place. So I'll show you how easy it is. First I'm going to spray a little bit of water. I'm using a spray bottle. You can use anything you like just to wet that little bit of hair. Then I'm going to take my brush. This one has a little bit on the end which can help me get a straight part, but you can use a comb, your finger, anything you like, and just push that through the hair, and then you're just going to brush it over to where you want the part. So I'm going to give this one a left-hand part. So I'm just going to comb it over to the left. Just giving this one a slight left part. Put a little bit more water because it's still wanting to go a little bit back to the middle. And just easily brush it over to the left hand. So this one now has a slight left-hand part above my left eye, slight left-hand part. And once it dries, it's going to dry there and it will stay where I have left that part line. You can also, if you're in a hurry, just give it a quick blow dry and it will blow dry over there as well. So I'll show you what it looks like on. Just pop my little wig off. That's how easy it is to put the wig on. So move the ear tabs into place. This one is a new wig, so it still has the lace uncut. But once you own that wig, you would cut this back to the hairline. And as you can see, it now has a slight left part. If you like, you can actually do it on your own head. So you can just wet the hair. If you don't want to use a cork head or you don't have one, you can just wet this little bit of hair, choose where you'd like the part line to sit. Might get a little bit of a further left-hand part now that the hair is wet, and just brush it over to where you like your own part line to sit and leave it to dry. So that's how easy it is to change the part on your human hair Goldilocks wig or your human hair Goldilocks hair topper. So again, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something and found it really useful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel because we make lots of really helpful videos all about human hair wigs and toppers. Thanks again from Clementine at Goldilocks.